The device provides 2 expansion slots for multiple types of NICs or the bypass card for reliability. Purchase cards as required. The 8G card provides 8 gigabit RJ45 ports for packet exchange and device management, but does not support hot swap. The 2xG8G card provides 8 gigabit RJ45 ports and 2 10 gigabit SFP Plus ports for packet exchange and device management, but does not support hot swap. The 8GF card provides 8 gigabit SFP ports, but does not support hot swap. SFP optical transceivers must be installed on the SFP ports for optical fiber connection. The 4G bypass card provides 2 electrical bypass links, but is not hot swappable. If the device is powered off or faulty, traffic can bypass the device for direct connection between upstream and downstream devices, ensuring service continuity. Precautions for the use of expansion cards are as follows. Expansion card installation and replacement procedures are similar. The following part describes the installation procedure. Step 1. Loosen screws and remove the filler panel. Step 2. Push the expansion card into the slot. Step 3. Fasten screws on the 2 sides. Confirm that the expansion card has been installed properly. After powering on the device, run the display device command in any view to check whether the status value of this slot is normal.